this is just part of continuing to enhance that expertise with all of our employees. It is super important that we give our insureds confidence that when they're talking to us, we know what we're talking about. And opportunities like today to continue to train our employees, whether that be underwriters, claims professionals, risk management professionals, it's vital that we understand the business that we're insuring.
The importance of this kind of event for us is it brings a level of clarity and transparency to the underwriting process, as well as partnering with our larger clients. We like to have a level of touch that has our claims, underwriting, and risk management involved with the overall beneficial aspects of our companies. And having events like this opens up the door for all the Canal employees to see the overall trucking industry, as well as how we partner with these individuals to make the road safer and to provide a better insurance product for our insureds. So we definitely love this level of touch, and it just helps us all become better partners for the future.
This type of event gives us an opportunity to share with our newer employees exactly who we are, what we do, and how we do it in relations to a truck. A lot of our employees are, they're transportation specialists, but they've never been up close and personal with the truck, with the trailer, and it also gives them a chance to meet our insureds on that one-to-one basis and build that relationship with them.
Really just getting to work with everybody in Canal as a team. It's super exciting to see all of the departments in an insurance industry really just buckling down together to get the job done.
It's been a great experience. It's an opportunity at Canal that I've learned many different facets of the insurance industry, not just one sector of it. Been exposed to claims, underwriting, marketing, finance, actuary, just all around just a great experience overall.
So I think the number one thing is the annual meeting. That was my real introduction to Canal, and that's where I started to learn about things like Samsara, and then to expand it on to other partners that could help us with the driver's license and making sure that those things are up to date. Training, remote training for the drivers. There's some great opportunities out there, and those are all given to us by our partnership with Canal. The AI technology and the immediate coaching opportunities were the two things that sold Samsara over any other technology that was out there.
Well, we've actually been on electronic logs since 2011. Probably the biggest majority of the drivers, once they got on it and got used to it, they don't want to go back to paper because it's much more easy because it does everything for you. You don't have to figure your hours. You don't have to figure how many miles you drove today. You don't have to do any of that. The electronic device does everything for you. I'd say the majority of our guys would not want to go back to paper.
Opportunities like today are exactly what we want to continue to foster so that everyone in our building understands the business that we're insuring, and when they're talking with insureds, they just exude that confidence that makes our insureds comfortable with the policy and the coverage that we're selling them.